Some sofas try to be everything at once and end up doing nothing well. This one knows exactly what it is: small, cozy, honest. The Welzona 51-inch Loveseat is made for tight spaces and realistic lives, not showrooms or oversized living rooms that only exist on Pinterest. At first glance, the size sets expectations. 51 inches long means this loveseat is built for apartments, dorm rooms, home offices, studios, and bedrooms where every inch matters. It fits neatly against a wall, doesn't overwhelm the room, and looks intentional rather than improvised. This is the kind of sofa that solves a problem instead of creating a new one. Sit down, and the surprise comes quickly. The seat cushion is thick and springy, not flat or flimsy. A 7.5-inch spring-supported cushion gives real support, while the seat depth allows relaxed sitting without feeling cramped. The backrest is supportive enough for reading, working, or watching TV, even though it doesn't rise especially high. It's comfortable in a grounded, practical way. Not the sink into the abyss kind of comfort, but the kind that holds its shape and doesn't punish your back later. The teddy fleece fabric defines the personality of this loveseat. Soft, warm, and slightly textured, it feels more like a favorite fleece jacket than traditional upholstery. It's not elegant or formal, and it doesn't pretend to be. Instead, it feels welcoming, perfect for winter evenings, pets curling up, or quick breaks between tasks. The fabric is durable enough for daily use, though lighter colors like cream will show dirt more easily. Thankfully, the seat and back cushion covers unzip and can be hand-washed, which makes a real difference for homes with pets or kids. Underneath the softness is a surprisingly solid structure. FSC-certified wood panels form the frame, and the pieces lock together using thick steel connectors. Once assembled, there's no wobbling, creaking, or uneasy movement. It supports serious weight up to 650 pounds, and real use confirms it can handle adults, pets, and everyday activity without complaint. This is not a decorative couch that asks to be treated gently. It's sturdy, stable, and confident. Assembly deserves special mention. There are no screws, no bolts, no tools. The process is simple. Snap the pieces together in a few intuitive steps, and it's done. Even one person can handle it easily, regardless of strength or height. Felt pads come included to protect floors, another small but thoughtful detail. It feels almost nostalgic, like snapping together building blocks. Simple, satisfying, and refreshingly drama-free. There are a few limitations worth knowing. The armrests are tall and not padded, so anyone planning to lie down regularly will want extra pillows. The loveseat sits relatively low, which adds to the cozy feel, but makes it less suitable for formal spaces like waiting rooms. Taller users may find it better for sitting than stretching out fully. This sofa doesn't hide what it is, and that honesty works in its favor. Visually, it looks clean and minimal. The shape is modern without being trendy, which helps it blend into different styles. There may be some light wrinkles from compression packaging, but they fade quickly and don't detract from the overall look. When placed correctly, it looks intentional, not temporary, even if it was bought as a practical, budget-friendly solution. What makes the Welzona Loveseat stand out isn't perfection. It's alignment. The price matches the quality. The size matches the purpose. The comfort matches the promise. It doesn't overreach, and it doesn't disappoint. For small spaces that need real seating without bulk, complexity, or regret, this little couch quietly earns its place and then gets used every single day.